If you have like cheap Duraflex bumpers or OEM bumpers that you just need to do temporary repairs on, it works really well. I can't complain about it. I gotta pull my bumper off. We're gonna see if we can repair this where it tore right here. See if we can get this all to stick back together. This is my GLI, by the way. I bought this recently. Gotta repair it, get it back on the road. But we also got cracks down here we're gonna repair. Plastic welder. This is broken. Need to get a new grill for it. And I think that's broken right here as well. So we're gonna try and repair this whole bumper with the plastic repair. But first I gotta get it off the car, so we'll do that here in a second. So we got the bumper off here.
Yeah, boy.
We definitely have to fix this spot right here. This should be repairable. Might be a little tough right there, but this should be fixable. This piece is supposed to be attached to the bumper. This piece inside here, there's a front lip that attaches to it. So we're gonna get that reattached. We're gonna try and get all this reattached up inside of here. I got pieces here that need to be reattached. That's pretty much it. Everything on this side seems to be pretty good. It looks like those are just the main cracks. And realistically, the car probably needs a new bumper, but I'm just gonna test it out on this bumper. The portable plastic repair hot stapler. So we got our little thing here. It's got plenty of different staples. So we've got like, this is for large or curved cracks, thin or straight cracks, inner corner cracks, outer corner cracks. We're definitely gonna be using the inner corner cracks. Bumper's got some bad spots in the inner corner where we got to repair. All around, it's got a whole bunch of different spots. Hey guys, make sure to hit the description down below if you want to see the link for this product. It's pretty cheap. It's only 20 bucks. It's on Amazon. It's right down below in the description. One little overkill with a staple. This piece was so distorted, it was hard to get it to hold straight. It kept wanting to bend and bow. So I just went as many staples as I can get up in there. Seems to be pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably stronger than it was. I threw two here as well, just because it looked like it was about to tear there soon too. Now we're just gonna trim off these extra staples. We just cut them. So I ran through and did a staple on every single one of these corner pieces all the way down through to here. And I even added two right in here. This thing works spectacularly. These are on there, man. You can't even tell on the front half that this thing's been like pulled apart at all compared to the other side. Definitely recommend getting one of these staple repairers. This is awesome. I'm gonna go through, cut all these off, and then we're gonna move over to this fog light piece. I found it using tape to tape everything together to hold it together makes it a little easier when I'm actually repairing it. Pulled the fog light and the fog light bracket out so I can get down in here a little bit better because this is cracked along here and here. We're going to try and repair all this and see. And then also we get in there and do all these repairs now and see if we can get this to all hold together. We got all this patched up. Now I'm going to put the fog light bracket back on. Alright, so we got that on. Now we're going to put the fog light back in. Alright, so we got the fog light back in. This is all repaired now. All back together. Alright, I don't see any more tears or damage on this side. So I think we're good. We got this patched up. I need to just cut the staples off. I just wanted to flip it over and look at it. It looks really good. I patched this right here. All this is all patched up. This all looks really good now. I mean, it's not great, but I mean, at least it's not all floppy and falling apart. And then we also got the edge here, which there's still a little bit of a tear in there that's noticeable, and I definitely went too deep with the staples. But I mean, at least it'll hold itself up now. And then the very last piece was just this piece. So I'm not sure what they hit prior to me buying this car, but I could care less. I'll probably find a bumper in the future, but at least I'll have a bumper on the car for the time being that doesn't look as bad as it did. But yeah, pretty good. I need to find the lower grill piece that goes across there. I guess they lost it when they crashed the car. If you have like cheap Duraflex bumpers or OEM bumpers that you just need to do temporary repairs on, it works really well. I can't complain about it. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button.